We have a PlayStation 2 controller that has caused us a lot of crap, and it's gonna get destroyed. This is it in pieces. My neighbor Nadim is going to smash it with a sledgehammer.
Let's hope we don't miss this time. Oh, that's a miss.
Hold it and smash it like that, like you did before.
Right after this, right after this. You gotta get back.
Woo!
One more time, one more time. I better hit.
Woo-hoo! Hold this while I smash it.
Yo, this came close.
Hold this. Oh, look at that piece. Hold that up. Woo-hoo! That is our PlayStation 2 controller. Hold this. Woo! Okay, ready?
Yo, microchips.
Get on a microchip.
And look at this thingy.
Ready? Hold this
Squiggly.
and tape me.
That's Joel with the sledgehammer.
And
Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. He just wants to take his anger out on it so much. Oh. 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 He's mollywopping it. Mollywopping.
And quick.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, take a video of all those.
Look at those. Look at all those pictures. Look at those microchips. Look at everything.
It's circle.
Circle. Look for square. Look for square. Oh, X.
X. X.
Look at this thing. This thing you gotta do.
And that was the destruction of our
triangle.
PlayStation 2
Triangle.
controller. That
No,
caused us
one
a
more
lot
thing.
of
One more
crap.
thing. One more thing.
Oh, one more thing.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Maybe like 7 more things.
Ready?
Okay, start. This is the start stuff. Remember? All right, ready?
Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo! Do it. Yeah.
For 20 days, I have been living through misery.
With this stupid, crappy controller. Woo. Enough, relax. Woo-hoo-hoo! All the way down there. That was the destruction of our PlayStation 2 controller. That sucked. Take a look at it.